Hey guys, today we're in Christina. Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home, almost 3,000 square feet, gorgeous established neighborhood. I'm gonna walk you through it. Wait till you see it. Thanks so much for tuning into this walkthrough video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I would love to connect with you directly. All my contact information is below. Let's talk about your real estate needs, and just remember this, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.